Oh, crispy. Wow, this is hot. Look in there. That is just perfect. Perfect Mexican food. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a Mexican. We're doing a quick one. We're using up some ready cooked chicken. Now you can get it from anywhere. Use up your chicken from your roast or rotisserie, anything. We're using ready cooked chicken. We're making chicken flautas, crispy chicken flautas, so easy to make. It's a case of using up that, chucking some cheese in, sour cream, a little bit of seasoning, rolling it up, frying it. Now this can be done in the air fryer or in the oven, but we're frying. Okay, we got chicken in here, look. Going in there with some onion. Now you can chop your onion any which way you want, you know, you can have small dices, anything. I've gone for slices. Seasoning for this doesn't get much simpler actually. We're going for the old Tex-Mex, Mexican type flavouring. We're going for cumin. Get your cumin in there. A little bit of garlic powder. Want some smoked paprika. A little bit of black pepper. Want a little bit of heat in there. Now you can put cayenne in here, you can put jalapenos in here, you can put anything you want, chopped up jalapenos, anything like that, fantastic. And we want a little smidgen of salt, of course we do. Now we can give that a mix and then we can chuck our cheese in. So let's do that. That's going to get that all through that chicken. Smells very Mexican already. In there with your cheese. Now I've got a couple of different cheddars. You can use Mexican, you can use mozzarella, just use whatever you want. Mix it round, get it all fully incorporated, and then we're going to chuck some sour cream in here and mix it again. So we want to be going in there with some sour cream. In it goes. And we're going to give that a mix in. Nice steady one, get it all mixed in there. Now people use cream cheese in here as well. That's entirely up to you. I'm going to stick with the sour cream. That's going to give it a lovely creamy texture inside our chicken flautas. Up to you. If you want to do the cream cheese, feel free. That looks incredible. There we go, mix made up. Now we need to be taking some tortillas of choice, whether they're homemade or they are store-bought, it doesn't matter. And all we're doing is some of our mix on there. And it's a roll. Roll it over. Roll it over. Tuck in the sides. Now, you know, we're using tortillas here, but you know, you can actually do this with egg wraps. Not a problem. And then put it seam side down on a tray. Nice and straightforward. Come on, let's get it done. Now I can tell you the flavour combination on this is off the charts. It's unbelievable. It really is good. There you go, nice and straightforward. And if you've got anything left in the bowl, eat it. That is amazing. Okay, it's very straightforward. Get a pan on, dab some oil in, and let's get frying. So when the oil looks hot enough, start putting our chicken flautas in there. Seam side down. Let's get that cooked off first. Now, do you see where I'm coming from when I say you can air fry these, oven bake these? Not a problem. You know, just traditionally street food like this is fried. However, oven, air fryer, light spray of oil, bake. And then it's just a case of turn them up and fry them all the way around. Now if I do it like this, we're going to get those other two in there, I reckon. Beautiful. Nice and steady. What do we reckon? Good enough? I do. On a rack. On a rack, let them drain. Come on there. A little bit of salsa on there of choice. Are we ready for this? Oh, crispy. Wow, this is hot. Look in there. Chicken flautas made. A little dobbing of sour cream. And if you're lucky enough, if you made the jalapeno sauce on there. So there you go, that is our crispy chicken flautas made. How good does that look? Come on. Come on, there you go. This is one of my all-time favorite fantastic Mexican dishes. It's so simple to bring together and it's so tasty. That is absolutely flipping marvellous, without a shadow of a doubt. A little bit of that sauce. That is just perfect, perfect Mexican food. The flavour on there is incredible. That is truly the best way to use up any chicken that you have going, you know. It's simple. Get some tortillas, wrap it up, put the flavour in there, fry it. Or, like we said, the oven or air fryer. So easy. That is off the charts. The flavour combo in there is massive. The cheese and everything. There you go. Let's just break this through there. Look at that. Absolutely juicy, moist, fantastic inside there with all that cheese. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make this Mexican dish. This crispy fried chicken flautas. Absolutely superb. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. That is amazing.